English conversation. Listening and speaking. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started. Talking about the picnic plan.
Are we going for a picnic this weekend?
Yes, we're planning a family picnic this Saturday.
Where are we going for the picnic?
We're thinking of going to the lake.
What time are we leaving for the picnic?
We'll leave around 9 o'clock in the morning.
How long will it take to reach the picnic spot?
It's about an hour's drive.
What should we pack for the picnic?
We'll need some sandwiches, drink and snacks.
Who's preparing the food for the picnic?
MOM and I will prepare the food.
Should we bring a picnic blanket?
Yes, it'll be more comfortable to sit on the grass.
Can we bring games to play?
Definitely. Let's bring a frisbee and some cards.
Should we take an umbrella or tent?
Yes, it might be sunny, so we'll need some shade.
What will the weather be like for the picnic?
It's supposed to be sunny and pleasant.
Should we invite other family members to join us?
That's a great idea. Let's invite our cousins.
Are we going to take the family dog with us?
Yes, we can take him along. He'll love the open space.
How long are we planning to stay at the picnic spot?
We'll probably stay there until the late afternoon.
What kind of food do you want to eat at the picnic?
I'd love to have some fruit, salad and sandwiches.
Can we bring a portable speaker for music?
Sure, but let's keep the volume low, so we don't disturb others.
Should we bring extra drinking water?
Yes, we'll need plenty of water to stay hydrated.
Do we need to pack utensils for the picnic?
Yes, we should bring forks, spoons and napkins.
What activities do you want to do at the picnic?
I'd like to play frisbee and take a walk around the lake.
Can we bring some outdoor chairs?
Yes, that's great. If the ground is damp, we absolutely need it.
Who are in charge of packing the car for the picnic?
I'll help Dad with that in the morning.
Should we pack some extra clothes?
Yes, in case anyone gets wet or dirty.
Can we bring some desserts like cookies?
Of course. We can pack some cookies and brownies.
Should we bring sunscreen for the picnic?
Definitely, it's important to protect our skin from the sun.
Will we go hiking around the picnic spot?
Yes, we can explore some trails, if we feel up to it.
Should we pack a cooler for cold drinks?
Yes, we need a cooler to keep the drinks cold.
What kind of games will we play with the kids?
We could play tag, hide and seek, or have a water balloon fight.
Can we bring a kite to fly at the picnic?
That sounds fun. Let's bring it.
Should we bring a first aid kit?
Yes, it's always good to be prepared for small accidents.
Will there be a barbecue at the picnic spot?
No, but we can bring a portable grill we want.
Can we pack some board games for the picnic?
Sure, we can play them. If we sit in the shade.
Will we have enough space to play soccer?
Yes, the picnic is big enough for some soccer.
Should we bring extra towels for the picnic?
Yes, in case anyone wants to sit on them or need to dry off.
Can we pack a camera for family photos?
That's a great idea. We'll want to capture the memories.
Should we take any books and magazines to read?
Yes, it'll be nice to relax and read for a while.
Do we need to check if the picnic area has bathrooms?
Yes, we should find out beforehand to be prepared.
Can we bring any juice for the kids?
Sure, we can pack a variety of drinks for everyone.
Should we bring a ball to play catch?
Yes, a ball is perfect for playing catch or soccer.
Can we bring a puzzle for a quiet time?
Sure, we can work on a puzzle together during a break.
Do we need to make a checklist for the picnic?
Yes, that'll help us remember everything we need to pack.
Should we bring insect repellent?
Yes, just in case there are bugs the picnic spot.
Can we bring any ice cream for dessert?
That might melt, but we can bring popsicles in a cooler.
Will there be enough space to park near the picnic area?
Yes, there's parking lot close to the picnic grounds.
Should we bring cards to play a game?
Yes, card games are always fun at the picnic.
Are we going to take the bikes to the picnic?
We could bring them if there's biking path nearby. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.